Hi everyone, this is Mara with the Wisconsin Holstein Association. With the district shows and championship show coming up, we want to do a quick video to show you how to use the online entry system. This can be found for district shows on the district show page and the wisholsteins.com website. Here there's also information regarding each district show. You still can mail in entries if you'd like, but we'd prefer if you enter online. It also saves you some money. So on this homepage, you're going to go to enter online here in this gray button. It's going to take you to this page. If you already have an account, you can go ahead and log in from this page. Otherwise, if you need to create an account, go ahead and enter in the email address that you'd like to use for the account, as well as the password you would like to include. Then hit register. Re-enter the password and include your name and phone number. Then hit continue. Right, we've made an account. Now click register for a show. We're gonna register for District 5. So hit District 5, then go over to shows and cart and click edit show. As you can see, we have nothing set up here, no owners, nothing. So to get an owner set up, we're gonna start here and enter in all the information you need. Then click Save Owner. So now you can see I have my name here. Let's create another one. You can have multiple owners under your account. Okay, so we have 2 accounts created. We're gonna go ahead and enter an animal. Okay, so once you have your owner selected, we're gonna come down here and put in the registration number. We'll also do an example if you have a pending registration. So in this field right here, enter your registration number. I have mine copied and pasted already. So I have that there. And then we're gonna make sure that field is highlighted, and then we're gonna click add animal. Okay, so this information pulled in from Holstein USA, which is good. You can pick if she's going to be in the open show, if she's a junior owner. So this one will just say she's in the open show. You'll want to enter in the city. So she is a junior 3 and it has that checked. On this page, you can also check if she is not bred and owned, or junior bred and owned. So it's saying here at the bottom that owner name of this animal does not match your owner exhibitor name listed above. That's because I have my regular name here, Mara Booty. When it pulls in from Holstein, it'll have your name, comma, and then your state. If that looks like the main issue, just go ahead and say yes to update. Make sure everything is entered and hit save animal. So now you can see Hooligan is here in the corner. So next, say I have that one. So maybe Charity wants to show an animal. She's gonna come over here. Her animal isn't registered yet, so we're gonna hit 0 for pending, and then we're gonna hit add animal. So what that does is it clears out all of these fields right here, and now you can type in the registration number. So since she is pending, she's not going to have a number. So you go ahead and fill these all in. Let's just say her, you can put pending, you can type in the name as what she's going to be. We'll just make something up here. So also here in this additional information field, we didn't do that on the last one. We can put some stalling information, any judge nominations, other info. So you can put stalling. If you have an animal that's going to be transferred and you're entering her under the original owner name, you can make a note in this area as well so we know to get it changed. So we went ahead and saved our animal. It did give us an error about not entering the breeder name. As you can see, it's still here on the left-hand side. So we're not going to worry about that. It's just a message. You can ignore it. We don't need that information, as we'll check it on the paper when you're at the show. Okay, so we have 2 animals entered, one for Charity and one for Mara. We're going to hit return to cart, and we're going to hit checkout. While you're on this order confirmation page, make sure that you have your animal name, or all of your information is here. So yes, we did enter a cow for Mara, and we did enter a spring calf for Charity. Each of them is $20, so now our total is $40. And then before you proceed, you need to agree to the standard agreement or the junior agreement if you're a junior. And make sure you click this little box here. But once you are through here, you can click checkout. I guess if you're an adult, you still got to check that junior box. And it says click the button below to continue and pay online. So hit proceed to checkout. So once you get to this page, you need to fill out your credit card information. I'm going to go ahead and do that and then show you guys the next page. Up above would be our billing information. Down below it says the total that we owe. If that for some reason doesn't translate in, you can go ahead and change that. And then you're going to hit continue. Go ahead and enter your card information to pay for the fee. Click the I'm not a robot and then complete the order. After that, your animals will be entered and paid for and all ready to head to District Show. If you have any questions, you can contact us at the office, but I hope this video was helpful, and we'll see you at the shows.